and welcome to another very exciting episode of The Voyage. Fast cars and big boats. These are the things that many of us aspire to owning one day, and on today's show, we have both. It's a drive and cruise day here at Princess Yachts Australia HQ for a select group of people who fit the mould. The day will start with an exhilarating induction to Lamborghinis, Bentleys and Maseratis, and finish with an afternoon cruise aboard the magnificent Princess V65 SOLIS. There is a terrific synergy across all these brands, and today we will show you why. It's almost boat show time here at Sanctuary Cove. The Sanctuary Cove International Boat Show is on from the 20th to the 23rd of May. An institution on the Gold Coast. We thought you might like to take a look at it. With all the rain we've had lately, the prawns are thick at the moment, and on today's show, Grant Madgwick will show you the perfect prawn dish to serve your guests on the back deck. Nothing tastier than a Queensland prawn. We'll take a look at the Princess V50 Open V-Class sports yacht, and Scott will be along with some tips on departing and arriving at the dock. So it is a special day here at Princess in a regular collaboration that happens a couple of times a year. Autosports Group and Princess Yachts have come together for a day that will give you a good dose of FOMO. Clinton Wright is going to run us through their cars and how the day will roll out. Clint, we have spectacular weather for the drive day today. Tell us what vehicles we have on offer.
Really excited to be here with our Bespoke by Autosports brands. We've got amazing cars from Bentley, Lamborghini and Maserati, and it's our newest range, so really excited to be here today with Princess Yachts to showcase our amazing vehicles to our amazing customers.
Tell us about those customers. Who qualifies to come on this journey today, and where will you be taking them?
This is really a day for us to showcase the brand, so it's a very amazing lifestyle experience that we can offer to our customers. So we've got a mix of customers that are new to our brands, and then we've got some customers that have multiple brands. We're also excited today to have a few customers from Princess Yachts. We're going to go on an amazing drive here from Sanctuary Cove up through the hinterland. It's about a 3-hour drive, so it's a really good opportunity to try the cars back to back, where you just wouldn't usually do that on a normal test drive.
And they have a lot of power, these cars, so it's going to be a fun ride, isn't it?
It'll be keeping them under control. We've got W12s from Bentleys, we've got V10s from Lamborghinis and V8s from Maserati, so there's going to be something for everyone.
Now just tell us a bit about the relationship you have with Autosports Group and Princess Yachts.
Yeah, we've known Greg and the team from Princess for a number of years now, and for us it's that synergy of luxury brands. Our customers share the same values, whether it's a driving holiday around Australia or out on the water on an amazing Princess yacht. It's just a really good synergy that we like to be able to share these experiences with our customers and future customers.
And with those famous words, drivers to your cars. The day begins, and yes, they don't have to be asked twice. On their return, another treat, some time aboard our V65 SOLIS. That's coming up soon.
Hi, I'm Grant from Artichoke. We're going to do a simple XO prawn dish for you for on back of the boat on a Sunday. Enjoy. Canola oil to start off with just on the base. For our XO prawn dish for on the back of the boat, nice and easy. We just add a little bit of the XO sauce to the prawns. Fold them around through. Place them on the bottom of the plate. Nice and easy, 4 little prawns. And then the remainder of the sauce we will place over the salad, which is simply a little bit of micro herbs, coriander, Thai basil with XO sauce on top. Then we'll top it off with a little bit of chili hair. Chorizo sausage with Mount Tambourine goat's cheese and panko crumb. And then we'll do a little bit of hydrated black pudding to finish off with. There we have Sunday's XO prawns on the back of the boat. Enjoy.
That looks delicious. Thank you, Grant. The 32nd edition of the Sanctuary Cove International Boat Show from May 20 to 23 will feature a very chic display of Princess motor yachts. Given the Cove is home base for Princess Australia, it's no wonder dealer principal Greg Haynes is going all out to ensure typical Princess customer service. Greg, how will things be different for Princess Yachts at this year's International Boat Show?
Well, this is basically where our display is going to be this year. By that time, it'll be undercover. So we'll have a 6-boat display undercover. We'll have a lot of events and activations for our clients and some hospitality as well.
How many vessels will be on display in the marina for Princess?
We're hoping to have 6 new boats here on the marina, as well as some of our second-hand Princess brokerage boats as well.
Excellent. And what sort of vessels will they be?
So we'll have 3 of our V-Class, which is our sport yacht, like you see behind us, and 3 of our flybridge vessels. So a good range of what Princess does.
What would you say to prospective owners? Is it a good time to buy, sell or upgrade your vessel at the moment?
I think it's all. I mean, we're selling a lot of brokerage boats. We've got 3 brand new Princess yachts coming in for boat show that will be available for sale at the boat show. And also that upgrade. So we've got a lot of clients that have got a Princess yacht already. They're coming to the boat show to see what the new product has to offer.
Greg, tell me, why should people come to the boat show?
I think Sanctuary Cove Boat Show is a bit unique around the world. It has that festival atmosphere. It has all the restaurants, the cafes, all the shops, and then all the best of the brands from around the world come to Sanctuary Cove, and a lot of them actually release new products and have world releases at the Sanctuary Cove Boat Show. We'll actually have the Australasian release of the V65 at the boat show, and it's just a really good time of the year to come and look at boats.
You can find more information about tickets and accommodation for the Sanctuary Cove International Boat Show on their website. But now, here's a Princess yacht you won't have to wait until May to see, the all-new V50 Open V-Class.
Hi, I'm Scott from Princess Yachts. Today we're going to talk about 3 simple ways to make it really successful and easy to leave the dock and then to return to the dock. Okay, the first step is to turn the shore power off, remove the plug, wind it up and take it with us on the boat. Okay, the next step is obviously pull the boat end out, wind the lead completely up and bring it with us on board. So the next step is our start up, and all we simply do is turn our ignitions on, wait for the alarms to silence, start each engine. We're taking command and then powering up our yacht controller, and then make sure she's paired by the 2 fast blinking buttons. Last piece of advice when you're leaving the marina, make sure your yacht controller is livened up and working, as you can see. Check the wind direction so you know which way the boat's going to go. Take your ropes off, start at the bow, finish at the stern, drive the boat out of the marina with a yacht controller and have a great day in the water.
Well, I think we have saved the very best until last. Welcome aboard the Princess V65 SOLIS.
When you come on the boat, it's just a different rhythm, and it's nice.
One of the things I found though is, as a boat owner, you're always looking at another boat, because the variety out there is just amazing. So I love doing it. This is just another one. We get a great day driving some cars and have a look at another boat. How good.
Well, I think you'll all agree it has been an amazing day for those lucky enough to attend, and we do hope that you have enjoyed the voyage. Remember, we'd love to welcome you anytime to look at our vessels, and make a note in your calendar for the 32nd Annual Sanctuary Cove International Boat Show. Until next time, bye for now.